Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off quick website search in Safari on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down and then tap on Safari. Next, we go down to the Search section and then tap on Quick Website Search. And at the top here, tap on Quick Website Search. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now instead of use the Smart Search field to search within websites by typing the website name as part of your search. For example, type Wiki Einstein to show Wikipedia search result for Einstein. And that's it. So that is how you can quickly search for content within a website. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.